We take this across to Pramod Madhav. He's joining us live from right outside the Veda Nilayam, which is in posh Boys Garden area of Chennai. Pramod, good morning. What was once the power center of Chennai, now turning into a memorial officially today. It's not been easy really for the EPS government because it's been a long-drawn legal battle that's come to this moment.
Well, it is a little bit chaotic as usual, but this place and chaos always goes together. This was the power center in the state of Tamil Nadu for nearly 40 years. And behind us right now, you could see that we are even currently waiting for a small entry into the place. Imagine public have only entered this place since 2011, maybe 4 times. In 2011, when she won the assembly elections, in 2014, when she won the parliament elections, and 2016, once again, when she won the assembly elections, and only during her death, unfortunately, on December 5th. So this is the kind of protection this area garners any time. And currently, we are waiting for the Chief Minister, who, in a move to actually grab the legacy of Jayalalitha, becoming an extension, is also trying to. You could see that white plaque over there. That way, he's today expected here anytime soon to come over and announce this as a memorial. However, situation for the public, it's not going to be open today because of the court, Madras High Court, intervening and stating that Deepa and Deepak are still the heir apparent of Jayalalitha, and there are certain objects inside which has to be given to them. So unless that inventory is settled, public cannot be allowed inside. That's how the Madras High Court yesterday gave a verdict, and that's the reason even today only the Chief Minister is allowed. He can go inside, open this memorial, post which the key to this house will be given to the court, and only after everything gets settled, you will be allowed. So that this area, the powerhouse, still remains a controversial spot, and there you could see all protections have been placed over there, and the white plaque on the left side where the Chief Minister's unveiled it, probably another half an hour's period.
So this is only a symbolic unveiling. The memorial actually isn't open for the public yet because, as Pramod pointed out, there's still that legal battle that is pending in the Madras High Court. So you won't be able to visit Veda Nilayam just yet. That wait will continue. Pramod, thank you for the moment. We'll keep coming across to you for the latest updates from Chennai.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.